Here you go, guys. You can see it now. All right, let's have some fun. She should be warmed up. Good enough. All right, let's see what we can do here. Should I decompress or no? No. Big difference, guys. Holy smoke. Guys, that was a huge difference. That's crazy. That shows you guys, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna take the dull chain versus the sharp and just show you. That's crazy. That was way better, guys. Way better experience. Wow, this thing's a freaking beast, guys. Oh my god. If you got a little bit extra cash, you wanna have some fun, guys, get yourself one of these, man. You don't have to tune it, nothing. Ready to go. That's crazy. You can pretty much rip through anything with this thing, guys. That's insane. This is a Pro Soft 661C Pro. You know the crazy thing? You go from this to the 880 or the 881, it's completely different, guys. It's massive saw. Like you're never gonna use it just for a random bucking like this, unless it's a huge log, right? But on the 661, guys, is a nice overall saw. It's not too much bigger than the 420 or 462, 461, but it's got crazy power. Like it's got insane pull, guys. This thing. Here, guys. You know what? Let's do one more pull here, guys. It's fucking awesome. It's awesome, guys. I don't know if I swear in the videos, if I take my videos down or what. I don't know how it works, but guys, here we go. We're gonna do another pull right now, guys. I gotta clean the lens. This thing's too much fun. Too much fun. All right, the Husqvarna, guys, I don't have a chain, a proper size chain for it. So I'm gonna have to wait till I either get a different bar or something. You know what? I have an organ bar. It might fit on it. But guys, hold on. Let's do one more video here. It's too much fun. Too much fun, guys. Can you see? Yeah. I don't know. I hope you can see. Yeah, let's do it. Keep my foot on it. We'll try to do a double quick, guys. Crazy. It's like you just bought yourself a freaking race saw, guys. That's insane, man. 661C, the Oregon chain, guys. So the only thing I noticed, the difference, seems like the steel, seems like it lasts a little bit longer. They say cut faster, I don't know about that, but it seems like the metal might be a little bit superior to an Oregon chain. Seems like it lasts a little bit longer. But Oregon's cheap, guys. You can get them on Amazon or anything. So, I mean, I think I got this for 20-something bucks. I mean, that's crazy, right? 20 bucks, no big deal. Get to have some fun. This thing's insane. Wow. One day I'm gonna want to get rid of it and get probably an old McCullough or something, but I mean, that's crazy, guys. What an experience, man. If you got logs, man, you need some bucking done, just buy one, guys. It's a freaking blast. That's awesome. What a rush. All right, guys. Yeah, steel chain, or steel chainsaw, guys. 661C. And I got the that's an Oregon skip tooth chain. It's a 72 tooth, 3/8 pitch, 50 gauge, just a standard 20-inch bar. But I mean, this thing would pull pretty much any size bar you put on it, guys, for sure. But, yeah, beauty saw, guys. Pro saw, got a nice big air filter on it. All right, guys, have a good day, man.